So because of the bracket for the cable throttle right here on the ls1 engines that came in the 2004 GTO and some 90s GM vehicles, this idler pulley bracket will not work. You need to trim one of these little spacers down a little bit, as you can see there. The way I got this dimension right here, I took one of these little spacers right here, I put it up against this to get the dimensions of this little bracket right here, and then I simply marked it right there, then cut however much I needed off, and then this side goes right there. Then you have a fully functional bracket. And this is how it looks whenever it is installed. You can see here, and the gap stays the same all across there.